Right, guys, this isn't the video for this new tweak that MT's done, but I thought I'd just give you something to look for, right? For the and explain basically how it works, right? Um, so you know going into the week what to be looking for, right? All right. So basically, I can't do a proper video until BT puts some recordings up. Thanks again, BT, for that. Um, guys, you should thank BT for it because he doesn't have to do this. He does it out of his, the goodness of his heart. So, give him a thank you when you can. Right, so it's just a really, really basic thing to look for. Okay, no matter what setups you're doing, carry on doing your setups. Okay, whatever. If you're doing what Lepipi does, using 5-minute yellows, 15-minute blues with the CLs, carry on. It's just an entry and exit system, okay? And as I said to you on Friday, in particular, Moneymaker here, this area, you wouldn't have got in, darling, to the upside here because there was no buy signal. You can see the buy signal there, and look what happened, right? And the sell signal there. So you needed a buy signal, so you wouldn't have got in there, right? So again, right, just giving you something to look forward to how to use it this week. Okay, so first of all, we had a 1 hour blue on the GA with the 5-minute yellow there. You would have got a sell signal there, and look what happened. Okay, nice move. And again, here you can see the sell signal there. Ahead, it's before the move, guys, right? And what I will say about this is if you look at the sell signal uh, and get a signal, whether it's a yellow or a white, right? With it, they virtually always work. The ones where you kind of, don't get an arrow with the sell signal, they're the ones that will struggle, right? So you can just say, even if you got in here, Moneymaker, I know there's a yellow here, but, if you got in here against the 3-0, okay, you know, the white appeared before the blue again, so you're getting in really, really early. All right, but if anything, they should have been thinking down 5-minute orange line. Look, you're back in the road here, sell signal, bang. Okay, out with the buy signal. All right, it doesn't matter. You might only have got a couple of pips there, um, guys. But it doesn't matter. You've got to do it this way. In with the signal you're looking for. If it's the sell signal you're looking for, fine. And then out with the buy signal. Look, on this particular trade here, you'd want some nice pips. Not sure actually how many, but anyway, this GJ here, look, sell signal. That would have been the 1 hour BB band. See, they broke the 1 hour BB band. I think there was a 1 hour red on the GU and the GJ at this time. Sell signal, right? And if I just show you on the other one that I've got here. Oh, went wrong way. Or am I? No, that's better. Right. That was the move there. The initial move, right? So then you were out here as soon as this shows up, close your trade, and you were looking 15 to 20 pips there. Moneymaker, right? Don't think 10 pips now, Moneymaker. Think open TP. Think open TP, signal to signal. Okay, so you were selling there, Moneymaker, closing here. Okay? Same here. Sell, close. Alright, this one on the GA. Okay, I'll just go back to that last picture. Where is it? There. Sorry, that last picture. It's this move here that you're seeing. Look how early you were in. Signal straight away, then the blue follows. You can stay in, and you stay in until, God, get my video, that buy signal there, and that was a 30 pip move, Moneymaker. Guys, Sarge, I know you've not seen this because you probably weren't playing golf, so you didn't see what we were talking about on Friday, but it's self-explanatory. and basically just use your setups again. I mean, you know, after this move here with the 1 hour red, it's pulling back here. You shouldn't have been thinking of taking that up, but you can take it. You can take it and say, I'll get out at the red, right? But with the BB bands flipping down and everything, with a 1 hour red, you're thinking, oh, it's turn now. And you would have been ready for that one there. And again, you would have made another anywhere 15 to 25 pips. I'm not sure. I think they were 20 pippers, these. Okay. And you can do it with any setup. This is all about entries and exits, right? And the best thing about this, guys, is that um, you, you 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 know, if you're in and out, if you get one of them periods like this when you make a where it's messy, you're in or out, right? It tells you exactly what to do. Get in, get out, get in, get out, get in, get out. That period there, you might have made, you know, a little loss there, a small win there, and a break even there. But then when you go in with this one here, right, you cop for that. You understand, guys? It's over 20 pips that we can see. Right now, go back and oops, that one. Have a look at was it this one? Yeah, I think it's that's anyway. You get where I'm coming from. This, as I say, isn't the video. I'm just this is just a video to give you a heads up of what to look for this week. Okay, and the best thing about this moneymaker for you in particular, right, is that now you don't have to think for yourself when to get in. Okay, you don't have to think, oh, should I take this? Should I not take this? Because there was a HA yellow there, right? You're being told when to take it. Okay, this is saying take it, take it. You know, look, take it. This is saying get in now. That's what basically this is what they are doing. Okay, and then they're saying get out now with your profit, as you can quite clearly see. Twice here. This one's still not got a sell signal you could be in, but that again is over 20 pips. Look, 75, 96. You know, and this one here, the blue signal appeared at 43, but you were in way before that. Okay, and it went down to 14. Well, it went lower. No, I think the yellow there is that blue. No, 10. It went to the BB band. It's around about 10 it went to. And you're probably out around about 14. Okay, so you see how that would have made you more than 10 pips moneymaker. Stephanie, again, Steph, if you're looking at the LTs, using the LTs, and then you see the 5-minute yellow now, Steph, and you look for a sell signal. Okay. All right, that you don't have to read the LT chart, the HA chart, Stephanie. You're just looking for one of these lines. Okay, I will keep an eye on the 5-minute, Steph, and let you know what's going on the other feed. But just see if you can have a play with these this week, Steph, because even someone like V-Boy, Stephanie, who wants to scalp, and I mean micro scalp, he is super scalping. Okay, imagine him, Steph, if you're taking this there, out. If you're taking this one up here, out. If you're taking this one down here, out. This one down here, this one down here, this one up here. You know, and sooner or later, even if he picked one pair, Steph, he is going to make a lot of pips just doing this in and out like this with these lines. Okay, so that's basically all I wanted to do, guys. Is give you a heads up what to look for. Okay, flipped up BB bands. If you're doing 5-minute time frame, whatever system you are trading, these are just entries and exits. Okay, it's nothing different. It's just that they appear very quickly before actual signals. TK, imagine this, mate. You're getting in here on the GU, not there. Okay, and you're not getting out there, TK. Okay, TK, let's have a look at that. Where was it? Oops, that's the UK on it. Oh God, what am I doing here? Stop mucking me about. Right, I'm going to have to. Where is it? I'm going to come out a minute. Right. Oh God, I know. Come on, give it bigger. We want bigger. I can't do it anymore, guys. Oh, right, there it is. Right, sorry, we'll get it up. It's not easy using Gayazo this way. Right, so this was the GU, then TK. So this is what I'm saying, mate. You would have been in here on the sell signal. Right, there was your white to say yes. Okay, and you'd have stayed in against that TK until this buy signal here. So you will make more with this TK. This will be perfect for you. As long as your white follows, or if your white's with like that there, the buy or sell signal TK, you don't have to get out at a white. You might have got a white up here, TK, and it'll stop you getting the rest of that there. You understand, mate? So you don't have to. You can ignore him now and wait for that. Okay, let me go back to that one. It's a bit clearer, this one. You understand, TK, how it'll work? Because, I mean, you could have been in this GJ here on the way, all the way up, right? Oh, by the way, the grey candles. Right, guys, we'll leave that, the grey candles for the time being, right? Until we see a bit more of them, right? Look for the lines. Baby steps, guys. Baby steps. It's a new entry system. Let's, see what we can make of it first, and then we'll add to it. All right. But imagine, TK, you're in this, you're in this, you're in this. You'd be getting out here normally, TK, because of the HAY. Well, now you could have got out here, TK, with the sell signal there, right? And and saved yourself a few more pips there, mate. Okay. All right. Like moneymaker. I mean, with this one here, TK, you'd have been in here, not here, right? You'd have been in here, TK, somewhere here, right? Ignored that white against your TK, right? Because no buy signal appeared, and let it go until the buy signal. So you will make more pips. Okay? Right, all right, guys, that is it. I'm just telling you, giving you a heads up what to look for, okay, and how to use them. All right, entries and exits. Okay, from what I've seen of them on Friday, and it was only Friday, guys. Uh, you know, this period here, Moneymaker. Right, I'm talking to MT on the private chat. I've got the normal chat running down here, and I can see you put uh, "Go up, GU" for crying out loud. Right? And I've got the feed on the other screen, and I could see that there was no buy signal. I'm thinking, oh God, I've got to tell her. And MT's texted me. I actually said to MT, look, can I tell him, right? Because I want to put Moneymaker out of her misery where that trade was concerned, right? Okay, Moneymaker. So just uh, don't buy or sell until you get the signal, Moneymaker, and do it open TP, Moneymaker, right? To the next buy or sell signal, whichever way you're going. You'll get more pips, and yes, there'll be that period, like I say, where you're in and out, and might cost you a couple of pips here and there, right? It doesn't matter, because eventually, Moneymaker, you're gonna catch these big ones. That 30 pipper there, these two 20 pippers on the GJ. This one here, which goes huge as well. Let's back out a bit. Show you. Come on. There, you see it. And again, that was probably the 1 hour orange line, right? So you would have been in and out a few times here, Moneymaker, right? With minimal losses, probably about break even, maybe a couple of pips up actually. But then you would have been in here and you would have caught that. 20 plus pipper. Do you understand, Moneymaker? Okay, that's how it'll work for everybody, I think. So let's see how it goes this week. But from what I've seen already, I'm impressed with them. And again, imagine catching that one down there, 30 pipper out. Then was it the 1 hour BB band then? I think it had gone through the 1 hour orange line there and hit the 1 hour BB band, and then it's reversed. And you know what this one was here, guys? This was the first 5 minute yellow, okay, that Lepipi took. All right, this move here, right, and then after that, you can't actually see it on this picture. That one there, it comes down over 10 pips. This, but then goes right up to the BB band, comes back down. Then it's on a flipped up 5 minute BB band. I can see on my own charts now. Yep, goes up 30 pips, comes back down, another flipped up 5 minute BB band, and then just goes. In fact, that last one there, it then turned into 3-nils, right? And it was a 50 pip move, but there were lots of 10, 12, 15, 18 pip moves up after that when it turned into 3-nils. All right, guys? Okay, right, so I think it's very self-explanatory. Okay, guys, just have a go at it. Let's see what it does this week, and then at the end of the week, we'll see how everybody is. But I want scores, guys. I want you to say, put your score up. If you win a trade using it, entry to exit, okay, put the score up. Just tell me the score, how many pips, right? If you lose a few small ones, fine, you lose a few small ones. Okay, in the process, it's gonna happen because we always get that period of consolidation. All right. Yeah. All right, guys. But this is just to tell you what to look for this week. Okay. And again, BT, if if you do recordings this week, mate, thanks for that. I'll do a video at the end of the week, proper one, ready for it, because I will have seen more, guys, and we can look at it then. All right.